So I'm going to show you how to install it. The installation is very simple to do, and it's very straightforward to do. You just take the clamp area and you can clamp it into the desk like this. This lamp expands up to 25.1 inches and it has 5 levels of brightness and 5 modes. So the buttons are sensitive touch control buttons, and you can turn it on right there using the button. There's a turn on button right here, and there's a button for the brightness and also for the controls. And when you expand it, you can see this is how it looks. Once you've expanded it, this is the full length of it, and it has a gooseneck, and the gooseneck can change and can turn. And you see this is the LED. So once you turn it, you can also change the form of the brightness. So I'm going to turn off this lamp and you can see the brightness. Okay, we can dim it. We can reduce the brightness up to 5 times, and then we can also change the color, different color. So I absolutely love this lamp. I think this lamp is one that if for your desk, you can use it for your desk. You can also use it for recording video. If you are someone that you record video, it's a great value LED lamp. And I love that you can also change the direction of the lamp light to show in different areas and to point to different locations. So absolutely love this lamp.